So today we're going to make chicken breast tartare with coriander and some coconut. It's fresh coconut but frozen. I got it from I found it in the frozen section of the supermarket, and I thought, yeah, that's good. And it tastes like fresh coconut. It's, you know, it's not processed in any way. So yeah, it's as good as fresh coconut, I think. Then I'm going to make it with a salad of bell peppers, a little bit of red cabbage, not too much, some cucumber, and just lemon and virgin olive oil, extra virgin olive oil dressing. Okay, so let's get started. So always the first thing to do is start crushing your garlic. Yeah, before you do anything else, because the garlic needs 10 minutes to develop the allicin, and I think you'll see, if my editor's doing his job properly, which he always does, you will see an insert about garlic while I'm doing this. Okay, so let's, yeah, I don't think I need to do any more talking. I think that's it. Have I forgotten anything? Oh yeah, we're going to have miso soup at the end. Always have miso soup at the end of your meal, because it's an appetite suppressant. And yeah, if you have it at the beginning of the meal, you won't be hungry anymore. If you have it at the end of the meal, you'll feel really satisfied. It's a great aid for digestion. So we're going to make the miso soup with this stuff, which is dashi, Japanese stock, which the Japanese make to go in miso, and they also use it, you know, the stock for other things. We make it with kombu, which is Japanese kelp. Yeah, this is kombu. Well pack. I recommend look for this pack. Look for well pack kombu. That's the one. You know, it's a reasonable price. There's all kinds of silly offers. You know. Yeah. So yeah. And with shiitake dried shiitake mushrooms. And so go to the link underneath. Go to the link in my description underneath to see how to make dashi. And keep enough dashi for 3 days, and you can keep it with a vacuum wine saver like this. Can't see my pump, but you pump out the air, and you can keep it in the fridge, and that will stay fresh. So what have I done with my pump? Do I need to say anything else? No, I think that's it. So, yeah, so we'll cue the music to the end of the video now, and I'll shut up.